Hey, in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to do the shoot dance. So you gotta put one of your arms up, same leg, and go shoot, shoot, shoot. And you gotta gotta go up, then down like that. You can do it either way. You can go up, down, things like that. You know what I mean? You gotta have your hand up like it's in a Mario game. You gotta put your foot up and go like kick, kick, kick. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how you do the shoot. And I want to show you, in case you're having a hard time, hand up, to your head point. Use your leg and go shoot. You gotta let your leg out. You know what I'm saying? Let your leg out and push your hands or arms back. You gotta use your foot. You gotta use your one foot. You gotta use your one leg. See, that's how you do the shoot dance. Please give this video a thumbs up, because I know you've all been asking for dance tutorials for a while, so you know I decided I would do it for you all. So please give a thumbs up. Please comment down below what dance tutorials I should do next. Share the video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.